just a very simple thing.
Okay.
I'm not going to go into grammar.
Yeah, sure,
I just want to make it very plain. It's about
so that you can convince the market woman listening to us
yeah,
right now.
sure. So Forex is about trading money.
Mm.
And what I mean by money, I mean currencies,
Okay.
right? One currency against another. So it's one of the ways we used, to make to hedge against inflation, for example,
Right.
and also for profitability by making profit from the difference in rates, from the buying rate and on the selling rate. So practically, just like somebody going to a bookie FX or maybe a bookie exchange to buy dollar for naira, and then the book is going to give you, they have the market rate, maybe the CBN rate, or they have the black market rate, and so they add certain percentage or value to the current rate, and that is the difference there. So the difference between the buying and the selling rate, for example, you buy dollar for 1,500, and when you want to sell back to that same person, it's going to say you're going to pay 1,550.
Okay.
So you make profit from the 50 naira. So that is what we're doing electronically, and this is fast because we have digital platforms, trading platforms that allow you to do this execution in a lower time frame, in a lower period, maybe 1 hour, 2 hours, and you can make that differences depending on your trading volume, right?
So
simple like that.
Talking about trading volume, you just took me to my next question. Is there a limit to the volume you can trade? Let's say a startup capital. Do I need to be a Cabana chief, for instance, so if I can venture into Forex?
Oh no. So these days, maybe before now, you need to have like $100,000 to be able to trade what we call one standard lot. That's one volume with your broker. Right, so it was a big boys and big men business.
That risky guy then.
It was
$100,000.
Yes,
if we goes,
that was then before we have the new age of technology where we have the brokerage and the leverage system. So the leverage system allows you to come in with whatever capital size that you have. It could be $10, it could be $20, as little as that. Some brokers even offer you to trade with $1, right? But ideally, you need to have something reasonable, all right, maybe between $20, $50 to $100 to be able to have a good trading, a good trading session for yourself. So we promote education, we promote strategy that works, we promote systems that can give you consistency.
So the traders' funds are 100% in their custody.
Exactly. So just like you have your personal bank account, I can have access to it. Right. So the brokerage is a financial institution that is regulated, and so your details is safe there. Right? And you are the operator, you are the trader yourself. But we'll show you a system that works, something like a copy trading strategy, an expert strategy, understand? The AI strategy, auto charting strategy that allows you, that take the workload from you, right? So even though you're a beginner, understand, you can get along very quickly. And if you've been trading before now and you've not been profitable, we're going to give you tools that will help you in your day trading.
Okay, so let's come to the training proper now. What category of the public are you expecting as, the potential traders, people you intend to train? Are there the experts in financial sector, the beginners, the market women, the novices? How do you intend to deal with, is it open to the public?
Of course, it's open to the public. Right? If you can operate a smartphone, like if you have a smartphone.
That's a condition.
Yeah, you need tools, right? You have a smartphone, you have a laptop, but it's not limited to laptop. Smartphone is the basic tool that you need, right? So we'll tell you, I will show you the platforms you're going to use and how to sign up and create your own personal trading account, how to verify your account, the tools you should use, right? So it's open for everyone. So if you're a student, you are a civil servant, you're a doctor, you're a business person that doesn't have time, there is automated trading strategies that will allow you to go about your business in a day and still look at your phone and see, oh, today there has been a trade.
How profitable is that? An automated trading strategy compared to maybe
personal analysis.
Yes.
Now, what I mean by automated trading strategy, okay, I don't mean robots. And I don't mean like AI in a sense. So I mean you leveraging with others' expert experience. Say, for example, we have a profitable trader on the brokerage platform or a copy trading platform. So we'll show you how to evaluate an expert traders, see the consistency, see the P&L, understand, see the result. Everything is transparent. And then we'll show you how to verify this. And then you can now connect your personal trading account to this expert trading or expert trader that has years of experience, years of records and performance.
When I listen to you say all of this, the next question on my mind is, I mean, how much? Is it free? How much was the price to pay to learn and acquire this knowledge?
Okay.
Become an expert like you. I mean,
Okay, so there's a price to it
mm,
if you want to go by the conventional way. Now, let's say you want to become a doctor, you go to school, you pay school fees, you pay for handouts, you pay for practicals, you go for internship. It's a lot of things. So now it's not different that when you want to learn something, you want to pay for it, you want to acquire knowledge. Knowledge is expensive. And when it comes to something like money, you need to. All right. Instead of us asking you to pay us for a VIP or a master class, we'll ask you to convert that money to your trading capital. Because
so how do you tend to profit from this eventually? Or you're just giving back to the society?
yes, we are giving back to society. We've been doing this. For me, I've been doing this for half a decade now. Yes, so we don't need your money. We just want to give you the knowledge. Then you can do whatever you want to do with the knowledge. If you want to go in or if you want to step back. So at least we create awareness and you know that this is something you can do. And if you want to stay in our community, then you can learn much more and become profitable
So
over
apart
time.
from giving back to the society, what else do you intend to achieve with this training?
Okay. We want to build a community of profitable traders. Okay, so when we have a community of profitable traders, that means at some point I'm going to be at the point of helping you build wealth.
Right.
Do you understand? Yeah, so that's what we intend doing.
So,
at Traders Room Live, either on Facebook or Instagram. You can find
Traders Room Live.
You can find us there. And for the registration or for inquiries for this training, you can call 081 62 422 856.
Take it slower one more time.
081 62 422 856.
Okay, I'm sure you're satisfied. I mean, we've done justice to the training.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so that's the end of the Forex and Vision interview right here, members of training. My name is Yake, and it's been a pleasure having Mr. Godwin Greg and Mr. Obon on the interview this morning. Thank you so much, gentlemen, for coming.
Thank you very much.
Let's take a quick break. The morning ride continues. Stay right here.